Hi guys! We are still talking about the rotary machines for tattoo and permanent makeup from the company Defenderr. Today we are speaking about a rotary pen titanium. The Defenderr company informs the machine designed in the USA. Let's look what prepared for us the Defenderr company. Let's go! My name is Olga Yakovleva. I am permanent makeup artist, trainer, cosmetologist and tattoo artist. I'm just beginning to speak English, so I can make a little mistakes in pronunciation. I will be happy for your support, understanding and likes. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments and support us. All information in the video is the subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. What do we know about the company Defenderr? Again, it's the company manufacturer of professional equipment for tattoo and permanent makeup. The Defenderr company informs that all equipment designed in the USA and is focused to the global market in Europe, CIS and the USA. The Defenderr already presented different rotary tattoo machines, power supplies, tattoo needles and pigments. We will start off the box. From the outside it's white red box with its name, serial number and logo of Defenderr. Now open the box and see what's inside. Warranty card in English. Tattoo machine and spare O-rings and spare parts, RCA clip cord, and my titanium. Length 112 mm, aviation coated aluminum. So I will talk more about titanium. You will don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I will tell you very interesting information and share relevant content with you. The Defenderr company informs the machine weight is 155 grams. We will check it on the scales. The weight is correct. Comfortable form that makes it easy to operate. As I said, I prefer tattoo machine with weight from 100 grams. I feel better work with skin. The device is equipped with an iron core motor specially developed for Defenderr. The motor provides extremely high performance, allowing tattoo artists to work continuously throughout the entire session without the possibility of the motor overheating. In addition, the titanium has reduced vibration and noise levels and improved handling. 6,500 RPM ensures stable performance in any of the selected tattoo techniques. Titanium has two colors, stealth and good metal. It costs about $252. Working voltage is up to 10 volts. Device easy fits into the barrier protection. Diameter of holder is 27 mm. Removable holder allows you to sterilize the device. I use disinfectant or afterglove for grips. In the instruction, the Defenderr informs: do not spray or pour disinfectants onto the device to avoid leakage on the motor of the device. Sterilizing the entire apparatus in an autoclave will damage and malfunction motor of tattoo machine. Needle stroke is 3.5 mm. This is hybrid. Great handling and control of the needle during the working process. This tattoo machine works with a different power supply and compatible with many cartridges from famous companies. Device will be covered by a 1-year warranty from the date purchase. I will leave a link to the manual of titanium in the comments to the video. Let's turn on it. I will work with power supply from Defenderr. Also, I will work with tattoo cartridges from Defenderr with size 1301 RLLT. In the next videos on the channel, we will talk about cartridges from Defenderr. Don't miss. I turn on voltage 5. The tattoo machine has little vibration and noise. In the cigarette, everything is very comfortable and cool. Guys, let's go! I am changing voltage. I am working with 7 volts. And now, for example, I am taking a cartridge from another company. It's Quadron, number 139 CMC EMLT. Well, let's sum up our video review. The titanium designed in the USA. Its price is about $252. This tattoo machine will be covered by a 1-year warranty from the date futures. The tattoo machine has little vibration and noise. It does all kinds of works: contours, stroke, dense shading or smooth transitions. The precise stroke of the needle makes it easy to draw a line and make powder brows or perfect lips. Titanium is good for professionals and beginners, but you must understand that can you work with its weight and with its diameter of holder. I will leave links where you can buy these devices from video description. I will be happy for your support, understanding and likes. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments and support us. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.